This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. Complementing this Chevrolet's contemporary styling is a stunning array of desirable features which include adjustable driver pedals, a power driver's seat, a CD player, a rear stereo, an anti-lock braking system, a traction control system, and this automobile has the safety and security of all-wheel drive. The dependable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, has the torque and power that you need to get the job done. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking truck. Roy Robinson Chevrolet Subaru is located at 6616 35th Avenue in Marysville. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.